Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful and amazing artistic ideas, very beautiful creative designs, very beautiful and interesting collection. Recycling bottle is not just a fun, it's a creativity and we all should have to do that. So viewers, in this video we show you the designs is necessary for our planets. We all should do that. We all save our ocean, our planet, our earth needs this. So in this video we are showing you the amazing thing and amazing craft ideas. Very beautiful connection, very beautiful idea, very beautiful interesting design in this video we show you. So hope you enjoy all these designs, all these ideas, all crafting ideas, all super exotic collection. We are trying to show you the amazing. Hello friends, welcome to today's creative journey. We are show you how to transform and design simple bottles into magical Xmas decoration. This is not just about craft, it's about recycling, reusing and creating something beautiful for the season while keeping our minds joyful and stress free. So gather your old glass or plastic bottles, some jute paints, ribbons, and let's begin this fun and healthy creating experience together. Let's talk about importance of bottle recycling. Every year, millions of bottles are thrown away and end up polluting the earth. But with just a little creativity, we can turn waste into wonder. Recycling bottles into craft not only reduces waste but also saves energy and money. And the best part, it gives us a chance to be creative, to express ourselves, and to spend quality time with family and friends. When you recycle bottle into Xmas decoration, you are giving them a new life, turning something ordinary into something extraordinary. Imagine a plain bottle glowing with fairy lights on your table, or painted with snowflakes and stars, shining bright in your living room. These crafts remind us that beauty can come from the simplest things. Now let's explore some amazing bottle craft ideas for Xmas. Are you ready for that? First of all, you should take a clear glass bottles, place fairy lights inside, and you instantly have a glowing Xmas lamp. Decorating the outside with ribbons, bells, or even glitter to make it festive. Now let's talk about painted snowman bottle. Use white acrylic paint to cover the bottle, draw cut eyes, a carrot nose, and a scarf with a colorful fabric. You now have an adorable snowman that kids will love. Now let's talk about jute burlap bottle decor idea. Wrap bottles with jute rope or burlap fabric. It is both same thing. Add pine cone, small ornaments, or cinnamon sticks for rustic farmhouse X-Mix vibes. What do you think about that? This is very useful or not? Leave your comment in the comment section. We will really very thankful to you and pleased to be. Now use 3 bottle centerpiece make about. So use 3 bottles, paint them in red, green and gold and tie bows around their necks. Place them together with the fresh flowers or branches for a stunning holiday table decoration. It will be a centerpiece, beautiful. Now let's talk about Santa bottle craft. Paint the bottles red. Add a black belt with a golden buckle and you have a cute Santa Claus decoration. Perfect for gifting too. Because handmade gift is loved. Recycle bottle vases. Don't throw those soda bottles away. Cut and reshape them into vases. Decorate with paint, lace or ribbon and place fresh flowers or article holly inside. Snow globe bottle. Fill a bottle with water, glitter or small X-Mix figurines. Seal tightly and you have your very own DIY snow globe. Now we are talking about mindfulness, mind and well-being. Benefits of mind and well-being. Crafting is not only fun, it's healthy for the mind. When you work with your hands, wrap jute around a bottle, paint snowflakes or tie ribbons, your brain relaxes, it reduces stress, improves focus, and gives a sense of achievement. Especially during the busy holiday season, bottle craft give you a break from screen and worries. It's like meditation, calm, mindful, and joyful. Crafting together as a family also builds strong bonds and creates memories you will cherish for years. So every time you recycle a bottle into something beautiful, you are not only saving the environment, you are also healing your mind and heart. It's a very beautiful crafting ideas and healthy for your personality well-being. May your home fulfilled with happiness, joy, togetherness. This Xmas, let's celebrate creativity, recycling, and mindfulness. Take those empty bottles lying around your home and give them a new purpose. Whether it's glowing lamp, a rustic jute design, or a fun snowman, every piece you make will carry the warmth of your love and imagination. Remember, crafting is not about perfection, it's about joy, beauty. Thank you for joining me today in this festive season, in this festive bottle craft journey. Wishing you a very happy festival filled with creativity, peace, and happiness. May your life fulfilled with happiness, joy, and beauty and creativity. Hope you enjoy these designs and ideas. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Stay blessed. Wish